13 common personal hygiene mistakes that you make every day. Do you know you're increasing your chances of sickness every day due to poor hygiene practices? We all know the basic rules from a very early age. Wash hands, shower, and brush teeth. But there is a lot more to take care of for ensuring good personal hygiene. Without even realizing, we make tons of mistakes daily. I agree no one is perfect when it comes to personal care, but still, the more you know, the more you can keep the breakouts and illnesses away from you. In today's video, we will be sharing with you the 13 most common personal hygiene mistakes you may be making. Number 1, not flossing every day. If you don't floss, please do it. A survey by the American Dentist Association found that only 4 in 10 Americans floss daily. What can happen if you never floss your teeth? Well, it may not be bad initially, but after some time, things can get worse. The first thing that will happen is your gums will start to bleed. Without flossing, you miss nearly 40% of the tooth surface while cleaning. That means bacteria can build up between your teeth and under your gums. Pretty soon, your gums will become inflamed and start bleeding. So keep flossing your teeth to look flawless. Number 2, not cleaning the inside of your shoes. The inside of the shoes is not visible to the world, but still it is essential to keep them clean for your hygiene. Your feet sweat all day and produce bacteria. That bacteria gets absorbed in your shoes and can cause a stinky odor, which can be embarrassing. Let your shoes air dry every day and use shoe care products or just soapy water to clean the insides occasionally. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3, not cleaning the belly button. Your belly button needs cleaning just like every other part of the body. Studies indicate many types of bacteria are living on the belly button. Not cleaning your belly button can lead to the accumulation of sweat, dirt, dead skin cells, and overgrowth of bacteria, which leads to infections and odor. All it takes is a little soap and water to keep it clean. Number 4, not cleaning commonly used objects. Our daily used objects like our beloved cell phone, laptop, car keys, or even doorknobs can be full of tons of bacteria. One scientific study discovered nearly 7,000 types of bacteria in 51 samples of smartphones. And if you're taking your cell phone into the bathroom with you, there can be a lot more. So it is time to change your cleaning routine. Clean and disinfect these daily used objects as often as possible to avoid transmission of germs. Number 5, excessive bathing and washing. Is it possible to shower too much? Yes, it is, and it is not so good for you. Excessive bathing can lead to over-drying, cracked skin, wrinkles, and bacterial growth. Cracked skin can destroy the skin barrier, which results in skin infections and allergic reactions. Plus, excessive bathing is a complete waste of water. Number 6, not washing bath towels and not letting them dry properly. Why should I clean my towels when I'm using them on my clean body? How can they get dirty? Well, the answer is, in the process of rubbing the towel on your skin, many dead skin cells can stick to it, and warm, fluffy, damp towels are perfect ground for bacterial growth. It is vital to clean them after using them twice, and letting them air dry, and putting them in sunlight to reduce bacterial growth. Number 7, sharing makeup products and not cleaning makeup brushes. Sharing is caring, but when you share makeup products, they are not the only thing you are handing out. Plenty of bacterial colonies also get passed in this process, so it is advisable to be a little selfish with your makeup. Think of it in this way: your makeup items gliding across someone else's flaky skin, chapped lips, zits, and fingertips, and then you use it on your skin. How gross is that? According to a study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences, sharing makeup products and not cleaning them often can lead to bacterial infections such as pink eye. Number 8, not taking good care of your toothbrush. We all know how important brushing our teeth is, but what is the point of brushing your teeth if your brush is not clean? It may look clean, but can be contaminated with bacteria and can even make you sick. Most of the bacteria come from the mouth or washroom by the phenomenon known as toilet plume. Storing a toothbrush in a clean place and at least 6 feet away from the toilet, replacing it 2 or 3 times per month, and cleaning it thoroughly with warm water after brushing are some of the steps you can take to ensure you are brushing with a clean brush. Number 9. Never replacing your loofah. Loofahs are perfect for exfoliating skin and removing dead skin cells, but what makes them harmful is using the same loofah for a long time. Dead skin cells can get lodged inside them, plus they stay damp most of the time. These conditions make them perfect for bacterial growth. Using the same loofah can result in skin irritation and bacterial or fungal infections. According to US dermatologists, you should replace your loofah with a new one after every 3 weeks. Number 10. Not changing pillowcases often. Your pillowcase may seem clean, but it can be a house of thousands of bacteria, oil, dirt, and dead skin cells. Not changing your pillowcase often is like inviting skin or eye infections and breakouts. According to one study about infectious diseases, bacteria from the oral cavity can be found on pillowcases in large numbers and can cause various skin infections. If not daily, make sure to change your pillowcases after 2 or 3 days, and prefer silk pillowcase over cotton, as the smooth texture of silk is beneficial for your skin. Number 11. Avoiding post-workout showering. After a hard workout session, what do you want to do? Eating a healthy meal or taking a power nap are good options, but you must not skip a post-workout shower. The issue with not showering after exercise is not just the sweat and stink, but bacteria. This bacteria can cause skin issues, even hair fall, so it is essential to shower after working out. It'll help you feel fresh, relaxed, and clean your skin from harmful bacteria. Number 12. Cotton swabs to clean the ear. Cleaning an ear with cotton swabs may seem like a hygienic practice, but there is much harm associated with self-ear cleaning. According to a study published in the Journal of Public Health in Africa, cleaning the ear with a cotton swab is associated with an increased risk of ear injuries. What swabs do is condense the earwax further in the ear canal, which results in various complications. Your ears can clean themselves and don't need extra care. Therefore, it is best to keep cotton swabs away from your ear canal. You can seek professional help if you think you have excess earwax. Number 13. Using hand dryers in public bathrooms. Most scientific studies suggest paper towels as a better option to dry hands than hand dryers. Hand dryers may seem a good choice as it is eco-friendly and costs less overall, but it can do more harm than good for your health. Hand dryers suck up the germs from contaminated bathroom air and spray that onto your hands. Paper towels are far more efficient in cleaning hands and ensuring good personal hygiene. So which one of these mistakes are you guilty of? There is no need to be ashamed as nobody is perfect, but still, we should try our best to take care of our hygiene. Good personal hygiene results in a happier, healthier you and keeps germs away from you. Plus, it will groom your personality. Did you find this video helpful or informative? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!